Yo, what's up? Team again is here, and this is the venue walkthrough for Summer EUC 2017. So today I'll be a host, and I'll be showing you around this abandoned spa center where we're gonna have trials park, flatland qualifications and street venue. Right here where you could see Zarya doing some trials, the actual park is going to be made out of concrete, cars, pellets, wood, rock, logs, whatever you want, you name it. And if you follow me further back to the next stop, next stop, you can see the street venue with 4 sets and the ledge where Sweet is going to show us a flip catch. So nice! Follow me further back into this direction, and right here on the right you can see the pool where the flatland qualifications are going to be in. It's really cool because it's kind of deep and the spectators can sit on the edge and therefore can have a really nice view on the actual battles. And right here on the right, if you just pan the camera right down there, we're gonna have a foam pit for doing whips and other tricks that you are not consistent yet with. And if you follow me inside, we're gonna check out the rooms and the socializing parts of the hotel. So we arrived at the top floor of the what used to be a 3-star hotel, and this is the place where you'll be able to choose a room by your taste and sleep here, hang out, whatever you actually want. And an example for room as such is if you turn around and come here. We're gonna have mattresses and okay, and this is a small preview of the hotel room. If you step right here and look over this window, you can see the place where we're gonna have flatland finals. And this is a brand new spot. It was renewed a few months ago and it's really nice for flatland, street and everything you can actually imagine. And if you follow me further back to see it up closely, it's really huge. We have a fountain right there, but you can't see it because it's not functional. But this was it. I was Team Kropivšek, and I would like to invite you to Summer EUC 2017. That was really nice team.